So children, in the previous class we started studying about Kalpana Chawla. We studied the 4 paragraphs, and in those 4 paragraphs I told you about the life of Kalpana Chawla. What did she dream? Where did she was born? And everything about her studies we discussed in the previous class. Then how, being an Indian, she was married to an American and she settled in America, and then she got the citizenship over there and she was known as American Indian. She was born in Karnal, a small place in Haryana. And besides being an astronaut, she was given license to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, then seaplanes and even gliders. She was also a flight instructor. Then she was also qualified as a pilot. And she was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, she said, "I never thought anything while pursuing my studies or doing anything else. I was a woman, a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else, and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on." So till here children, we studied in the previous class. Now we'll start with the 5th paragraph, page number 48. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle, and the name of the shuttle, that is the satellite which went into the space, was named as Columbia. So Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So her first mission in the space shuttle was named as Columbia, was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. And during this time period, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling near about 10.45 million kilometers. And along with her in his journey included a Japanese, a Ukrainian astronaut. And the whole group, known as crew, they performed experiments on pollinating plants and the plants to observe food growth in space. That is, they performed experiments whether life of plants is possible in space or not, and even made tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. So there on the Saturday night came a shocking news about the space shuttle Columbia, that it broke off, and everywhere there was shock and nobody could believe that it met with an accident. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. So the town of Karnal, from where she belonged, they spent a sleepless night, which means the night where nobody slept, and thousands of households, thousands of people, they were stuck to their television sets, having the hope that Kalpana and her teammates and her crew members might have survived. A journalist wrote about Kalpana. He said, she was a heroine, and it takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything, from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. So this is what an astronaut wrote about Kalpana Chawla in the magazine, in the newspaper. And for millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. In a message that she sent from aboard the space shuttle Columbia to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams." So children, for many young Indians, Kalpana Chawla was an inspiration. A girl, though she belonged to a small town, but she touched the skies. She went into space and became an inspiration for all the young Indians. In a message which she has sent from the space shuttle Columbia to her students, she said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. There is always a path from dreaming to making the dream come true. May you have the vision to find it. Only thing, you should have the courage, the vision, the eyes to find it, to search it, the courage to get onto it." And she wished a great journey to all the young Indians. There will surely be many who might be off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. So she also said that there might be many young Indians who might have seen so many dreams and they have started on their journey of fulfilling their dreams, to make their dreams come true. So this was the message which she conveyed, which she gave to the young Indians. I hope children, you all are also motivated after reading and understanding this chapter, that you should also have a dream which is fruitful, which brings a great success in your life, a great achievement. And after having such dream, you should walk on this path to fulfill your dreams so that you achieve great heights in your life, to make your parents, to make your teachers, and make yourself proud and be on top of the world. So children, this is a very interesting and inspiring chapter. Go through the chapter, children, once and twice and be motivated by the work Kalpana Chawla has done to make her dreams come true. And you should also see such dreams and try to fulfill them by your hard work, your determination, and willpower. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.